Hello guys, how are you? Hope all of you are fine, happy and healthy. This is the overview of computer book, class 10th, unit number 1, programming techniques, unit number 2, programming in C language, unit number 3, input and output handling, and chapter number 4, conditional control structure, chapter number 5, loop control structure, 6, computer logic and gates, and unit number 7, World Wide Web and HTML. Unit number 1 is related to programming techniques. First of all, think about it that when we start programming is done to solve any problem, to get output, right? Why we write a program? Program is right to give output to the user, right? Any user requests you to write a program to give you any problem, then you find out solutions of the problem, then you start programming to give output to the user, right? So programming techniques, first of all, you think about problem, any problem given to you, right? Then you find out that its solution is possible in a computer field or not. Then you start understand the problem, then start to find out the solutions of the problem, right? There are different methods to find out the solutions. Then you are going to write algorithm, then flowchart, then you start programming and you give output to the user. Understand? Hope you understand. In programming technique, what you are going to understand? Yes, programming techniques. First of all, you think about it, why we write a program, right? Why we write a program? We write a program to solve any problem. Understand? In computer language, we we give output using programming languages. Different type of projects are given. If you are going to any book, right, to of 9th, 10th, first year, second year, or any class, then you are going to write a book in the in what you are using MS Office, and in MS Office you are going to write a book in MS Word, right? You are going to write a book in MS Office. MS Office is application software, right? Now going to the point, programming techniques, right? Hope you understand that why we write a program, why we are going to understand the programming techniques. Yes, because if any user give you any problem to give output, then you are going to find out its solution, then you write a program and give him or her output whatever he want, right? So first of all, if any user comes up to you to solve any problem, then you must think about it that this problem is possible in the computer field or not, right? If not, then you say sorry. If yes, then you try to solve a problem and go up the steps. So solving a problem is the main task of the computer, which is the job of computer programmers, right? Computer programmers decide that this problem is possible in the computer field or not, right? For example, think about it, any problem is given to you of physics. In physics, we have we say problems in a as numericals, right? If numerical is given to you, then you must think, understand it and try to solve it. If it is possible in the physics field, then you find out the solutions and get the result, right? Same in the computer field. If any project is given to you, if any any task given to you, then you think about it, that it is possible in the computer field or not. Then if possible, then you start the solution, right? There are different steps to solve the solution. And first of all, understanding the problem. If any problem is given to you, you must try to understand the statement, right? In understanding the problem, there are different steps: defining the problem, analyzing the problem, planning the solution, candidate solutions of the problem, select the best solution, right? In defining the problem, any problem is given to you, you must carefully read it, understand it, right? And think about input and output required. What input is given and what output is required from the user, right? You must, in defining the problem, definition is given to you, then you must carefully read it, understand it, and think about it. What are the inputs and output required? What input is given and what output you must be find out from the problem, right? For example, think about it. Simple problem that find out the sum of three numbers. What is given? Three numbers are given. You are going to find out the sum of three numbers. Three numbers are given to you. You just only find out the sum. So in computer, you are going to write a program which take input of three numbers. Then you are going to write a statement which calculate the three numbers and give you output, sum, right? I hope you understand. So in defining the problem, you must carefully read the problem to understand what it tells, right? Find out what the problem asks to do and what information can be obtained from the problem, what input is given and what output is required to the user, right? Hope you fully understand the defining the problem. Next, analyzing the problem. In analyzing the problem, you analyze, think that the solution, possible solution of the problem, right? You think about that solution is possible or not, and how solution will be implemented, right? Physically, how we can implement this solution. In analyzing the problem, you think about it, that and you can break the solution into different parts, small parts, right? And you think that it is possible to solve the problem on computer, and you think about the steps of the problems, solution of steps, right? How you can start and end, what are the steps, possible steps to solve this problem, right? And how many solutions are possible. Next step is planning the solution of the problem, right? It is the creative stage of problem solving. In planning the solution, dividing the solutions into steps and arranging them into proper order, right? In planning the solution, you think about it, that what are the possible solutions, right? For example, if one question is given to 10 students, right, they must have 10 solutions, right? Their logic will be different. So to solve a problem, there must be 10 solutions. There can be, must, not must, there can be 10 solutions, 10 logics, maybe, right? So we have to decide the best possible solution. This is the duty of the programmer, to find out the best solution of the problem. Next is, after planning the solution, that how much possible solutions, we divide the solution into steps and arrange proper order. Next is the candidate solution of the problems, right? All the possible solutions which have correct result are known as candidate solutions of the problem, right? All possible solutions of the problem are which give correct result, known as candidate solutions of the problem, So next step is select the best solution, right? What is the next step? That you find out the 10 solutions of the one problem, right? Then you must select, this is the duty of programmer, right? You must select the best solution of the problem, right? The problem of the computer may be any project, any designing of website, any project can be given to you to solve, to give output, right? So how you can select the best solution of the problem? It must be easy, solution is easy, programmer must be easy, right? The best solution is that program can easily be written, give proper output, speed matters, speed, cost, complexity matters to find out the best possible solution. That solution must be easy to understand, clear? Not there must be not any complications. Solution, you must select the solution which is very easy to understand for user and for you, clear? After selecting the one solution, right, from 10 or 20, if you are going to solve, to give this problem, to solve this problem to 20 people or 10 people, you must select any one of them best solution, right? After selecting the one, you are going to write algorithm. Algorithm is the step-by-step procedure to write a program. Yes, now after selecting the problem, after selecting the solution, you are going to write algorithm into steps. For example, I have told you the problem, easy problem, that find out the solution of 3 numbers. First step, input 3 numbers. Second step, sum is equal to a plus b plus c, right? And third step, give output, display output, and stop. This is the algorithm, right? Algorithm is very important in programming, right? Because algorithm is written in step-by-step procedure, so any person can easily understand that how is the solution of the problem, right? What is the first step, what is second step, what's going on in the solution of the problem, right? So algorithm plays very important role in solving the problem, clear? Yes, you can see the simple algorithm to add 2 numbers, right? It is, algorithm is written in step-by-step procedure, right? Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Step 1, start, read AB, you can write here input AB, algorithm may be 2 or 3, okay? Next, step 3, C is equal to A plus B, you can write here sum is equal to A plus B. Then step 4, print C, right? If you write sum is equal to A plus B, then you will write print sum, right? Step 5, stop. So this is the way of writing algorithm. Now look here, this is the other example, add 2 numbers. Step 1, start, you can write get 1 number or input 1 number, input second number, sum is equal to number 1 plus number 2, display or print sum, stop, right? Algorithm may be written by the person's logic, right? Every programmer can write algorithm in his or her own way, right? In his logic thinking, right? So algorithm may be different, clear? And output will be 1. Output will be same of all algorithms, right? Of one problem. Hope you understand.